Hey kids, it's me, Tony. For something new and different, we will have a moment of nature. Actually, my backyard. So, I thought, well, let's go out here. Since I haven't made it upstairs to do any videos, I thought I'd do one down here. So this is my backyard. I cannot grow grass for anything. And so I'm working on it just being sort of a old hippie backyard. Y'all have asked about my dogs. This one is Arlo, as in Arlo Guthrie. He is a Shepherd Pit Bull mix, 70 pounds of lap dog. And then over here, this one, our newest addition, this is Rusty. His name from the shelter was Russ, but my husband didn't like it, so we added the initial T, so he's Rusty. He is a Jack Russell. He's a little over, he might be about a year. And he digs and eats rocks, and well, he doesn't eat them, but he likes to chew on them for some reason. He is a funny little dog. We say he's an alien dog because we say he has chicken feet, but anyway, that's my dogs. So my poor yard is still a mess, but my husband built this for me years ago, and he had a friend that built this for us. And at one point made this little path, so kind of a rustic backyard, and we made this little planter area at one point. And you will notice that I have a giant cactus living in my tree. You don't have one of those. It goes up all the way to there. Odd, isn't it? Don't ask me why. It just came out that way. A little green area. It's about the only thing green that'll grow around here. And the obligatory bird bath. Some artwork. And then that's my next project, is to work on our back patio. You can see that it's just got all the junk that I've pulled from the yard. Stacked it there. So that's the next project. And let's see. And I have to finish up the front. The immediate back patio. This is the one outside the door. I used to have roses growing, so I'm gonna have to do something else and plant there. So I have a fair amount to do still, but I have time because I'm retired. So anyway, that's it for this. I'm going to sit on the bench. I come out here with the dogs in the morning so we can have a couple of moments together. Not that it lasts very long, because the little one wants to go digging. And now that I cleaned out the water fountain, even though they got water in the house, they come here to get water. Isn't that right? So, just thought I'd share all that with you. I have a tree line behind my house. Actually, there's a school over there, back behind the trees. There's a clearing in there, several houses down. And then over here, back here, used to be a hospital, and now they've done some other stuff. So they've cleared some of the land behind this tree line, but I bought this lot specifically because of the tree line. Because it feels very peaceful. You can hear the little birds. And It's a nice tranquil moment or two. So I think we all need something like that, especially right now. So hope you guys are doing okay with all this pandemic stuff. And we'll say goodbye to Arlo. Goodbye, Arlo. Bye-bye. He's a good puppy. Yes, you are. And we'll say goodbye to Crazy Nut Dog. Bye-bye. And I will see you guys later.